A rocket is launched from the top of an 160-foot building. What does the trajectory look like? H of t equals negative 16t squared plus 92t plus 160 represents the height of the rocket after t seconds. How long will it take the rocket to reach the top? How high will the rocket go? Well, the trajectory is the shape of the parabola. And can we solve any of the other questions? How long will it take the rocket to reach the top? How high will the rocket go? So it's referring to vertex here. So as long as we can find the vertex, we'll be able to find the time and the height. In order to find our vertex, we need our original equation, which was h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 92t plus 160. The first thing that we need to do is identify our values of a, b, and c. To determine the value of a, I look to the left of t squared, and this is negative 16. To identify the value of b, I look to the left of t, which in this case is 92. And last but not least, we have our last number, which is 160, and this is our value of c. What's the formula that we need to use to find the x-coordinate of our vertex? That's correct. Now to our original. It's x is equal to what does the trajectory look over like? 2a. But since we're not working with x's, this is actually our t. So this will help us find the time. Now let's start working on our t-coordinate, or our time. So this is negative b, which is 92, divided by 2 times the value of a, which is negative 16. Negative times 92 is negative 92. 2 times negative 16 is negative 32. And we know that when we divide two negatives, they become positives. And 92 divided by 32 is 2.875. So our t value is 2.875. So after 2.875 seconds, it reaches the top of the parabola. How do we find the maximum height that our rocket reached? That's correct. We plug in our value of t. Our value of t is equal to 2.875. So wherever I see a t, I'm going to substitute it with 2.875. So I can say that the height reached after 2.875 seconds is equal to negative 16 times 2.875 squared plus 92 times 2.875 plus 160. First thing I need to do is work with my parentheses on this exponent right here. So I know that when I square 2.875, I still have this negative 16, and in parentheses, I have 8.27. Plus, when I multiply 92 times 2.875, this gives me 264.5 plus the 160. When I now multiply negative 16 times 8.27, this gives me negative 132.32 plus 264 32.5 plus our 160. I then add negative 132.32 plus 264.5. This is equal to 132.18 plus our 160. And now our last step, 132.18 plus 160 is equal to 292.18. This is our height that our rocket will reach. How long will it take the rocket to reach the top? Well, we discovered that it took the rocket 2.875 seconds. How high will the rocket go? Well, based on our calculations, the rocket achieved the height of 292.18 feet. Congratulations, you have just completed a word problem. Give yourselves a round of applause.